Hello there everyone. I want you to take a good look at this tree. This is called a bird. You know, it looks something like a banana tree, but it's kind of different because it don't bear no fruit, no edible fruit. But as you could see, you know, when left alone, it grows out of hand, it grows wild, and you know, it gets very dirty. Now, I'm gonna show you guys how to properly clean this tree and make this tree look like sense. Not only that, I'm gonna show you the tools I use to do so. So if you'll bear with me a couple of minutes, you know, I'm gonna come right back and show you what I'm talking about. Alright. Yeah, like I was saying, guys, check it out now. It's all done. You like it? Yeah, that's the end result of the birds after they are clean. You know, yeah, I can show you. Yeah, man. See? Everything is chopped down. You know? Doesn't it look a lot better? Well, in my eyes, that's the way to clean them. I mean, you know, they look a lot better than me, if you ask me. Yeah, you know, you get more ventilation, more air could come through, more, you know, more space. You know, it's better for the tree itself. Now, the tools that I used to do this was these same three tools right here. You don't need nothing better. You got a machete. Yeah, you need that. Get a chainsaw. That's when if the trees get extremely big and you gotta, you know, cut down a whole tree, you know. But for the normal size birds, the two things you need is these right here: pole saw and a machete. For the bird that size, I needed extra help, so I got the chainsaw. You see, that's all the tools you need to do a job like this, guys. You know, don't care how dirty, doesn't matter how dirty it gets or how out of control it gets. These same three tools right here could do the job on any given day: machete, pole saw, yes, and a chainsaw. Right? Okay, guys, there you have it. Right.